Welcome back, guys. As you can see, we're out on our homestead range. This is what we call the upper camp. So if you hear me on the video refer to our upper camp, this is it. We got some orange targets today, orange 12-inch plate. And what we're going to do is we're going to test some of this 410 handgun, 2.5-inch buckshot, 4-pellet, triple-aught buck. And we're going to be shooting it through the Midland Arms backpacker 410. And what I'm interested in seeing is what is the spread on a 12-inch plate out of the 18-inch barrel, no choke. I want to see what the spread is for this 4-pellet triple-aught buck. It says muzzle velocity 850, but I don't know if that's out of the handgun or if that's out of an 18-inch barrel. I have a chronograph not with me. We may test that later. But I want to see what it does. Can I get all 4 pellets at 10 yards, 30 feet on a 12-inch plate? And if so, I may back up a little ways and try a couple more rounds. We also have I believe it's a 10-inch by 14-inch or 8-inch by 12-inch plate. It's an oval plate over there on the left. We might try that one as well. But right now we're going to shoot for that 12-inch plate with the 410 4-pellet triple-aught buck out of the Midland Arms backpacker. Brought my iPro today. All right, so this is roughly 10 yards. 10 yards, triple-aught buck, 4-pellet, 410, 18-inch barrel. Looks like it's a little high. Let's go check out the target. Gun is safe. I see 4 pellets. The top quarter of the plate. So it's a little high. I was aiming dead center. I think I'm going to do another round aiming at the 6 o'clock position of the plate. All right, 6 o'clock hold this time. 10 yards. Definitely hits hard for a 2.5-inch shell. Definitely hits hard for a 2.5-inch shell. Gun is safe. A little bit lower hold. Still got all 4 on target, looks like. Decent little round. I'm going to shoot another shell at this plate. I call this my coyote plate. It's about the sweet spot of a coyote. Let's see what she does. That's not too bad. That was about 15 yards. Got 3 on. 1 flew off somewhere. Not bad at all.